Once you get to your Canva, this is the front page of your Canva. Come here, click create, and then you can search here Trifold. Okay, you search Trifold, and it's going to bring out some options for the kind of trifold you want to create. So for this tutorial, I'm going to choose this first one, Brochure Trifold. And after searching, it's going to give you some options of templates you can use. Thousands of templates, trifold templates you can use, so you can make your choice out of here. So for me, for this tutorial, I'm going to go with this one. So what do you do next? After choosing the particular trifold you want, you click apply. So I'm going to apply both pages because I need the both front trifold and the back front trifold. If I need only the front trifold, I'm going to click on this. If I need only the back trifold, I will click on this. But if I need both pages, in this case, I'm going to click on apply both pages. So I will hit on this right now. And then we have our trifold here, right here. So now this is the front page and this is the back page. So you can zoom this out, so you can see it very well. Okay, so we have other options here. Related options. In case you don't like this one, you want to change it, so you can still look at this, try all these. In fact, I love Canva because of these templates. It makes the whole work easier for you. So even if you are a total beginner, you can create a beautiful and professional trifold in minutes. Oh, wow. So now the next thing you are going to do after importing your template is for you to go ahead and change all these text. You change all this text. So for me, let's say let's for instance just click on this and let's say best performance. Okay, this is kind of illustration, so you can use that best performance, and then you can come here and then change your text here as well to match with what the company needs. So here we have ready to take control of your finances, of your financial future. So maybe you want to tailor this text into something you like, so you can say ready to make ready to take control of your financial, let's say, life, for instance. So that's just what comes into my head right now. So you can just change all these, you customize all these texts. If you don't see these, you can zoom it out, zoom it out, zoom it out, so you can see very well. Okay, here we have your trusted partner in financial success. So now the next important thing there is for you to change your details here. So you can change your details to, let's say, +234, okay, 706 or 705, 706 7750 and 749. Okay, all right, 706 750 and then you can put here hello. This is my email, hello at unwa. Okay, let me use small letters here, unwa.com. That is my personal email, and my personal email is unwa.com. That is unwana.com. That is my personal email. So you can tailor all these to what you want here. So you make all these changes, so you can just copy that. I've just copied everything right there. So let me bring everything to this point. Yeah, wow. This is beautiful. So now you make all these changes. So I'm going to replace this as well. Okay, and then email. For the purpose of this tutorial, let me just allow the address to be there. Let me allow this address to be there. But you are going to change the address as well to fit what you really want. So after changing all the text and customizing this design to what you want, all you need to do is for you to zoom out, zoom in to see how it looks like. You see what I'm trying to do. So this image here, you can replace this image. Okay, for you to replace this image, just you can delete this out, as simple as that. Okay, and then go to your computer. Okay, let me come to, I have some images on my Canva already, so let me go to upload. So I'm going to go with this image here. This is just for illustration. So I'm going to go with this image here. So I'm just showing you how to swap your images and put the images you want. So this is very beautiful, but then you can make some adjustments on these images to make sure that it positions very well. So, and make sure that you use a full image so that this side can lap very well here. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just using a random image, so that is going to be by the way. And then let me just change to the original image. That is how to swap your images. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to allow this image to be here. All right. So after that, okay, you go ahead to change all this text to match with what the company you are designing for is all about, and you make sure that you change all this. So I'm not going to change all this because this is not really important. After all, you know how to change all this text, and I've shown you an example on how to change all this text. So now the most important thing after designing all this is how you can export this, because every brochure design is meant for printing. Yeah, every brochure design is meant for printing. And there are some instances that brochure designs are not meant for printing, but there are some instances that they are meant for printing. Now, if you want to export these for printing, how do you export it properly? So, this is front and this is back. So this is going to be printed on both sides of the A4. So you can print this on A4 paper, and then how do you export it for print quality? So you go to share, when you go to share, and then go to download. Okay, this is pages 1 and 2, so I'm going to select all pages because I need both pages. Then I will click done. Okay, um what kind of print do you need? What kind of file type do you need? So I'm going to use PDF print. Okay, so this is PDF print because we want to print it. Don't use PDF standard. That is not going to give you the quality you want after printing. Use this PDF print and then download. Now the download is processing, so you wait for it. So wow, it is almost done. So here it is downloading, and you see the download process. So you can go ahead to preview these on your PC. Okay, so this is the final result of what we've done. This is the final result. You see how beautiful it is. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have learned something new today. If you are a CorelDRAW user and you want to know how to create professional trifold with CorelDRAW, I will want you to check out this video. Check out this video. Thanks for watching.